Hey YouTube, what's up? This is the Google Home Hub, and today I'm going to be showing you what it can do. The front of the device features a 7-inch touchscreen. There are also 2 microphones and the ambient light sensor that can be seen in the middle. It should be noted that there is no camera. The speaker is built into the stand on the back. The mute switch and volume rockers can also be found on the back. The place I find it the most useful is the kitchen. This allows me to perform tasks and to consume media hands-free. Some of these features can be used with the Google Home and Mini. Some need the screen provided with a Home Hub. The most useful feature is timers and reminders. These allow you to set timers and reminders for specific times. For example, I might want to set a simple timer. Set 5-minute timer.
Sure, 5 minutes. Starting now.
As you can see, when I set the timer, a countdown starts. You might also want to set reminders, for example, to put something in the oven or take something out.
Remind me to put the potatoes in the oven at 7 o'clock.
Okay, I'll remind you at 7 p.m.
Remind me to take the chicken out of the oven in 20 minutes.
Sure, I'll remind you at 2:18 p.m.
This can really come in handy when preparing meals. Now let's say you've just found out that you've run out of something. It's really easy to add items to your shopping list.
Add milk to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added milk to your shopping list.
Add eggs to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added eggs to your shopping list.
After adding items to your shopping list, you can easily see what's on the list and delete items or tick them off. You can also slide the screen to the right at any time to see active reminders and timers. You can also perform queries and calculations. For example, you might want to know how many pounds are in 2 kilograms.
2 kilograms equal 4.409 pounds.
The screen displays the answers and also suggests something else you might want to ask for. Other useful information might include how many calories there are in different foods.
How many calories in 200 grams of chicken?
There are 478 calories in 200 grams of roast chicken.
I really like it that a picture of a chicken comes up on screen along with the calories. You might also want to do some maths.
5 times 26.
5 times 26 is 130.
You can also ask for recipes, and the Home Hub will give you step-by-step instructions.
How do I cook a roast chicken?
Sure, here are some recipes. There are 5 ingredients. You can ask for the next ingredient or skip to the instructions. The first ingredient is 1.3 kilograms, whole chicken, giblets removed.
Next ingredient.
The second ingredient is salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste.
Skip to recipe.
There's 9 steps. I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say, next step. First step, preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Next step.
Second step, place chicken in a roasting tin and season generously inside and out with salt and pepper.
Now you're cooking, you might decide you want to listen to the radio or some music.
Play BBC Radio 1.
Alright, here's BBC Radio 1 on the BBC.
Alright, Adam.
The Google Home Hub supports most of the popular streaming services such as Spotify and YouTube Music. You can play music on the hub itself, or you can set up a multi-room group with other Google devices.
Play popular music on multi-room.
Okay, here's the popular music station from YouTube, playing on multi-room.
You can also control music on other devices directly from the Google Home Hub.
Play music by Beyonce on the girls' speaker.
Okay, here's the Beyonce station from YouTube, playing on girls' speaker.
Another useful feature is a broadcast function, which lets you broadcast messages to other Google Home devices.
Broadcast, it's dinner time.
Got it. Broadcasting now. It's dinner time.
One of the most useful features is a smart home functionality. Like most of the other smart speakers, you're able to control your devices through your voice.
Lamp light off.
You got it. Turning the lamp off.
Lamp light on.
Sure, turning on the lamp.
Set the thermostat to 22.
Sure, setting the thermostat to 22 degrees.
Something else the Home Hub enables me to do is control all of my devices by using the screen. All you have to do is slide down from the top and you're able to view the status of your thermostats and lights. You can also turn the thermostat and lights up and down, on and off. I'm now going to show some quick examples of some of the fun things you can do with your Home Hub.
What noise does an elephant make?
This is an elephant.
What sound does a dog make?
This is a dog.
How many days until Christmas?
Christmas Day will be in 34 days.
Tell me a joke.
I have a pet tree. It's kind of like having a pet dog, but the bark is quieter.
What was the England score?
Last Sunday, England played Croatia. The final score was 2-1 to England.
Tell me a story.
Okay, this one's called Cinderella, and it's from Story Nori on Google Play Books.
Cinderella. Once, there lived a sweet-tempered girl whose name was Cinderella.
The Home Hub can also be used for useful tasks, like checking the weather, getting directions, and setting calendar appointments.
What's the weather looking like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Walton on the Naze, it'll be cloudy, with a high of 8 and a low of 6 degrees Celsius.
New appointment.
What's the title of the event?
Haircut.
Sure, when is the event?
Tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Okay, haircut tomorrow at 7 p.m. Do you want to save that?
Yes.
Sure, I saved your event.
Navigate to the nearest McDonald's.
I've sent the directions to your phone.
When the device isn't in use, you can choose for it to show a number of Google-created photos and artwork. You can choose your own photos from your Google library, or there's a number of clocks you can choose to have as your background. The ambient light feature changes the colour tone of the screen to match the temperature of the light in the room. When you turn your lights off at night, the screen will go into nightstand mode. When it is in this mode, you can just see the clock, but it doesn't emit enough light to keep you awake if the Home Hub is on your nightstand. Another feature I want to talk about is video and media content. You're able to use the Home Hub to watch YouTube, news, Google Play Movies and other services just by asking. You can also ask for your favourite podcast. The Home Hub enables you to cast from other apps. However, at present, Netflix doesn't work on the Home Hub.
Play videos by Daniel Wetstow on YouTube.
Here's what I found on YouTube.
Play Avengers Infinity War on Google Play Movies.
Okay, playing Marvel's Avengers Infinity War on Google Play Movies and TV.
Play Sky News.
Here's the latest news. From Sky News at 9:02 p.m. today.
Play the Strictly Come Dancing podcast.
Okay, talking strictly. I'll pick up where you left off.
Alongside Debbie McGee.
One of the most impressive features is the follow-on feature, which allows you to ask follow-up questions from a question you just asked.
How old is David Beckham?
David Beckham is 43 years old.
Who is he married to?
He's been married to Victoria Beckham since 1999.
Where did they get married?
According to Wikipedia,
Depending on where you live, you can also use the Google Home to buy things.
Open Argos.
sure, here's Argos.
Hi, welcome back. What do you need to do today?
Buy something.
What can I help you buy?
55-inch TV.
All right, how much are you looking to spend?
£500.
And which area would you like to collect your reservation from?
Clacton-on-Sea.
All right, here's what's available near Clacton-on-Sea right now.
Home Hub can also be used to check the latest stock prices and translate.
What is the Apple share price?
Apple is trading at $176.98 per share after hours, up 0.11% from the close.
Translate where is the bus into Japanese.
バスはどこです?
The Home Hub also has a number of fun games you can play just by asking.
Play a game.
Alright, which one would you like to try?
If you scroll to the right when you're on the home screen, you're given a list of all the things you can do with your Google Home. You can also press a button to view even more. This will show you everything that you can do on your Google Home. That pretty much wraps up my look at everything you can do with a Google Home Hub. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give me a like. If you really liked it, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks.